Children online, can you see this right now? Clear? Okay, fine. Good. Chalo. So far that we studied was all about plane mirrors. Okay. Plane mirror. Do you remember the image properties of a plane mirror? A plane mirror will form an image which will be, a plane mirror is the mirror which you use for dressing purpose. So the image height will be equal to the object height. The image distance will be equal to the object distance. The image will be laterally inverted. The image will be erect and the image will be virtual. इसका मतलब प्रूव हो गया कि आपने घर पे कुछ नहीं पढ़ा इस चैप्टर के बारे में. Right. This time the topic has shifted from plane mirrors. And how was the plane mirror constructed? You had a piece of glass or an acrylic, behind which what we had? A reflective surface like a foil of silver. After that we had a red oxide paint, and that creates what is known as your plane mirror. The mirror. See children, if you don't study and come, I always say it is as good as not coming to the class. You have not studied, you don't remember anything. Lateral inversion, so many things we spoke about. तो फिर फायदा क्या होता है मुझे इतना सब लिखने का? Plane mirror में the first thing that we saw was object size is always equal to image size. है ना? Object size is equal to image size. Now this was what we saw in the previous course. This was there. Then we also saw that the object distance is equal to the image distance. And 3, the image that is formed, the image is always erect. And it is a virtual image. All these things are going to change now when we get into spherical mirrors, because spherical mirrors are not straight mirrors, right? चलिए आगे फिर. Okay. तो बात करते हैं. Don't concentrate so much on this side. Let's understand first. Spherical mirror. Let's understand the concept of a spherical mirror. So a spherical mirror means, first you should understand about a sphere. Now this is a 3D surface which is a sphere, something like a globe. Have you understood? Imagine that you have a globe and the entire globe is a mirror. Entire globe is a mirror. Have you understood? We have a globe and the entire globe is a mirror. Earlier you had a plane mirror, like something like जैसे आपका पूरे dressing mirror which is straight. Now we have a globe and the entire globe is a mirror. Have you understood? This is the 3D impression of that particular globe. But every time for me to draw 3D for you is not possible. So I will now draw 2 dimension of the 3 dimension, right? 2 dimension of a 3 dimension. So this is what we call as a sphere. This is what is called as a sphere. Do you understand? A sphere is something like a football or a globe. Just for your understanding purpose. Now what we do, now we will be taking the drawing into 2-dimensional. So in 2 dimension, the thing that you will see is a circle. Have you understood? Your concentration is on this, but I can't show you 3D on a 2D platform. So you have to imagine everything from a circle. Now this circle represents the sphere, which is everything a mirror. ये पूरा एक mirror है. Understood? What I do is that I cut out 2 portions of this mirror. मैं इसके 2 portions cut कर देता हूँ. One from this side and one from this side. Clear? And I name them as, say मैंने A dash is one portion and I have taken out B and B dash as one portion. Have you understood? Right? So if you allow me to make this smaller, then something like 1 minute, huh? Something, okay, this doesn't allow you to annotate here. Okay, right, fine. So if I consider A part, I basically have a shape like this. And if I consider B dash part, I have a shape like this. Is this understood? Right? You can even invert this and put it on this. Symmetric bhi kar sakte ho. Just like a broken piece of a bangle. From a 2D perspective, this is a broken piece of a bangle. But actually, what is this? This is like a saucer. Ultimately, it is a portion carved out of a sphere. आप समझ रहे हो ना? एक फुटबॉल के ऊपर के हिस्से को you have torn out. So what do you get? You get a saucer-like thing. Have you understood? Saucer. समझ में आ रहा है? Everybody is able to appreciate. But from 3D side, if I show you the saucer, you will see this like a broken bangle. That is what people get confused about. This is not about a small arc. It's basically a saucer, a plate, which is below your cup. Now in this saucer, what I do, once I try to make two types of mirror out of it. Okay, दो टाइप के मिरर बनाता हूं. पहले टाइप में what I do, I etch the bulge side. Etch करना मतलब क्या बोलते हैं बेटा इसको? Rough side. This is the rough side. This is the rough side. So this will be my smooth side. Very good. Or it is also known as the reflecting side. और एक क्या word use कर सकते हैं बताओ? Polished. This is also the polished side. Reflecting is the best word to use. समझ में आया? एक बार मैंने मोटू पेट को क्या कर दिया है? एच कर दिया है. एच मीन्स यू हैव मेड इट रफ. अब यहां रिफ्लेक्शन हो रहा है. ठीक है. और दूसरी बार मैंने क्या किया है? अंदर वाले सतह को I have etched it. Are you finding the difference now? So this is like a piece of a saucer. Have you seen like if you see Jewish persons, they wear a small cap out here. ये वो कैप की तरह है. एक बार अंदर का साइड रफ किया, एक बार बाहर का साइड रफ किया. This is outer side rough. This is inner side rough. Have you understood? This gives rise to two type of mirrors. And the confusion is one will be known as convex, one will be known as concave. Question is, when we go to the examination, how do we remember? Suppose you forgot this is convex or this is concave. तो उसका एक सरल सस्ता टिकाऊ टेक्निक सीख लें. कैसे याद रखेंगे? ठीक है. अगर रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस में एक बच्चा बैठ गया, make a child sit in the reflective surface. Don't you feel the child is sitting under a cave? ये केव के अंदर बैठा हुआ है ना. बस इसका नाम हो गया कॉनकेव. ये याद रखना है. रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस से हम टेस्ट करेंगे. अब अगर आपने जाके यहां पे बच्चा बिठा दिया ना, then I can't help you. So you have to make the child sit in the reflective surface and give him a feeling of a cave. A cave में बैठा है ना. So this mirror is known as a concave mirror. Then the other one will be known as convex. और convex कहता है, मुझे याद कर लेना. इसको हिंदी में लिखेंगे तो क्या लिखेंगे? पेट मोटा, है ना. पेट मोटा मिरर जो है वो कॉन्वेक्स होता है. Do you have any doubt now? So what are the two type of mirrors that you have learned? One mirror is a convex mirror, one is a concave mirror. जरा फिर से समझने की कोशिश करते हैं. So we start from, like in plane mirror, you started from a sheet of glass. Here you start with a sphere of glass. ठीक है? And in that sphere of glass, you'll actually cut it out. It's a glass, not mirror. It's a glass sphere. So जैसे आपने cut out कर दिया, have you seen in dissection box and all something called in labs called Petri dish? Have you heard about Petri dish? A Petri dish is a dish which is slightly curved. Huh? Yeah, in the middle it is a little bit down. So it's made out of glass. So you have exactly brought that glass pieces, two of those glass pieces, two Petri dishes. एक को बाहर की तरफ रफ किया, एक को अंदर की तरफ रफ किया. Right? Now, if you see the mirror which is there in shops for shoplifting security purposes, or at around that basement parking, or at the corners of shopping malls, then you will see the mirror is bulging outwards. Mirror is bulging outwards. Mirror is bulging outwards. That's a convex mirror. Smooth surface is bulging outwards. देखा है ना? Next time when your dad parks your car or something, आप जाके उस mirror को थोड़ा छू के देखिए. You can feel it. वो outside curve होगा. समझ में आया? Right? Or you take the best example is a spoon, like this. Spoon is a beautiful example. उसे दोनों साइड shine करता है. So when you see the spoon from this side, the cave side is concave, and when you see from the pet motor side, it is convex. Is this much understood or not? Just tell me that. Okay. So if somebody tells you what is the basis of formation of convex or concave mirror, the basis is a sphere which is made up of glass, and after that a portion of the sphere is cut off. We just cut off like this, right? And then we take a portion and we have two options. Either we make the curved surface, inner curved surface rough. In that case, the reflecting is the bulge surface, then it makes a convex mirror. Or we make the rough side on the bulge side, and the inner side, which is curved inwards, that becomes the shiny side. Imagine a child sitting here, it's as if he's sitting under the shade of a cave. So that type of a mirror is called a concave mirror. बताओ बच्चा, समझ में आया? Any doubt at this level? हाँ अर्नब एकदम ऐसे बैठे हो बेटा, क्या हो गया? हाँ दादी माँ की कहानी सुन रहे, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है फिर ये कहानी, है ना? उसके ऊपर तो ग्लोब है ही, देखो उसके अलमारी के ऊपर एक ग्लोब है चढ़ा हुआ। हाँ हाँ, वो पृथ्वी को ऊपर उठा दिया। इतना समझ में आया? आगे बढ़े तो यहाँ पे देखते हैं क्या लिखा है। स्फेरिकल मिरर, अ कर्व्ड मिरर shaped like a part of a hollow glass sphere. So you take a hollow glass sphere and you take a shape of it, and let's read it. Concave mirror, a mirror whose reflecting surface curves inwards. And in Desi technique, put the bacha inside the mirror. The bacha should feel he is inside a cave. So that's a concave mirror. And a convex mirror, a mirror whose reflecting surface curves outwards. ये पेट मोटा। आगे बढ़े। वेरी गुड। चलिए अब आगे बढ़ते हैं। और देखो आजकल मैंने सब कॉन्सेप्चुअल क्वेश्चन भी लाता हूं, इसको आंसर करो तो। If a reflective coating is applied to the outer curved surface of a glass piece, then what type of mirror is formed?
Convex.
यही तो आज आंसर तो कॉन्वेक्स और कॉन्केव ही होगा, हाफ हाफ आंसर्स मत दो। See, don't be in a hurry to answer the question. Read the question. Read. If the reflective coating, not the rough coating, if the reflective coating is applied on the outer surface, जहां reflective coating रहेगा वहीं से तो मैं अपना चेहरा देखूंगा। तो हमने कहां पे डाला? outer surface पे डाला, ठीक है ना, of a curved glass. Then what type of mirror? पेट मोटा mirror you are making. It's a convex mirror. That means the edge surface is on the inner side. Deliberately this question was asked. Just because the word coating applied, your mind started taking you, उस side को the convex side has been coated, so this should be a concave mirror. ना 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 ना, क्या पूछा है वो देखो, reflective. Which of this is a prime number is a straight question. Which of this is not a prime number is actually a twisted question which needs more reading. इसलिए फटाक से कूदो मत, पहले पढ़ो। डन, चलिए आगे। अब बात करते हैं इमेज कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स। इसमें मत जाओ अभी, पहले थोड़ा सा समझते हैं इमेज कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स कैसा होता है। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल we'll spend some time out here, okay? Let's talk about something which is known as a concave mirror. और आपको अपने आप समझ में आ जाएगा कॉनकेव मिरर। थोड़ा सा ड्राइंग्स बनाऊंगा जो शायद आपके लिए लिटिल बिट, एज ऑफ नाउ इट माइट फील दैट दिस इज हाई लेवल ड्राइंग, बट एब्जॉर्ब इट। दिस इज अ मेक स्मॉलर ड्राइंग्स। दिस इज अ कॉनकेव मिरर। Anyone has doubt that this is not a concave mirror? This is a concave mirror because the child is sitting inside the reflective surface. Okay, when you go to higher classes, so we actually will always draw a straight line. Some parts you should know, okay? Now, this is not a bangle. Imagine this is always a saucer. Something like, acha. Have you seen dish antennas earlier? Dish TV. होता था ना? Jio TV. उसको देखा है कैसा रहता है? हाँ, वैसा सरफेस है ये। या फिर जो हमारे मेसन एंड अदर लेबरर्स दे कैरी दोज सीमेंट का कोट टोकरी, इट्स लाइक दैट शेप। हैव यू अंडरस्टूड? और इमेजिन दिस इज लाइक एन अम्ब्रेला एंड दिस इज द सेंट्रल स्टेम ऑफ द अम्ब्रेला। गॉट इट? This center part of this umbrella, this particular point, this point, though this you learned this all in grade 10, this is known as the optical center of this is known as the pole of the mirror. इसको हम बोलते हैं मिरर का पोल। समझ में आया? And an imaginary line is drawn like this, and this imaginary, these are not there in grade 8, but just for your interest purpose, if you want to understand, this is called the principal axis of the mirror. It's an imaginary line. Have you understood? I have taken a concave mirror and I have put it, and there's a line which is drawn perpendicular through that particular center, right? Now, when rays come from, in optics, what we say, whenever rays are coming from any distant object, what all can be a distant object? Pluto, Mars, right? Or my girlfriend's house, very, very far away, 3,000 kilometers. All those are distant rays. And distant rays in optics are always taken to be parallel rays. Distant rays. Distant rays are taken to be parallel rays. दूर से आने वाली किरणों को समानांतरी किरणें बोलते हैं, समानांतर, parallel. right? My English is not good, you know. And rays from nearby objects, these rays are divergent rays. एकदम आपके पास से जो आ रहा है, now say Ruhan is sitting in front of me, the rays that are coming from his face are divergent rays, they will not come parallel, but rays which are coming from say an N tower or K tower to me right now are all parallel rays. Have you understood? Now when we look at a concave mirror, this is a concave mirror, okay, so let me name it, this is a concave mirror. If you understand these basics, all answers will come correct. So let us take some distant rays for it. Now I've made the principal axis in green color, yellow color. So I'm making some distant rays. कौन सा? POK नहीं, pole. This is the pole of the mirror. The pole is the central point of the mirror. Take a dish antenna. Right at the center is the pole of the mirror. अब कुछ मजेदार चीजें देखेंगे ना, देखते रहो, समझ में आया? So these rays are coming from far off objects. And what type of mirror we have? Concave mirror. Concave mirror क्या करता है? Now what are these rays called? Incident rays. And incident rays are striking what? Reflecting surface. तो क्या पैदा होगा अभी? Reflected rays पैदा होगा. अब सारे reflected rays जो है ना, ऐसे पैदा होंगे. एक रे ऐसे आ जाएगा. अच्छा चलो रिफ्लेक्टेड रेस को अलग कलर करते हैं, हमारे पास कलर्स की कमी है क्या? एक रिफ्लेक्टेड रे, एक और रिफ्लेक्टेड रे, एक और रिफ्लेक्टेड रे, एक और रिफ्लेक्टेड रे, ठीक है? इन्हें सब रिफ्लेक्टेड रेस है. इनके एरोज बना देते हैं ऐसे, लाइक दिस, लाइक दिस, लाइक दिस. All these reflected rays. Now what is the English word for this? You came parallel and you converged upon a point. मिल गए आप एक जगह पे. तो मैं यहां पे लिखता हूं, इनको मैं लिखूंगा, ये लिखूंगा parallel incident rays, है ना? Parallel incident rays converges at one point on principal axis. और बच्चा और नहीं, कोई और नहीं, ये जो वन पॉइंट है इसको हम कहते हैं द फोकस ऑफ द मिरर. द फोकस ऑफ द मिरर. सो इफ समबडी आस्क्स यू, बच्चा टेल मी हाउ डू यू अंडरस्टैंड, हाउ डू यू डिफाइन द फोकस ऑफ अ कॉनकेव मिरर? अब देखते हैं आपकी इंग्लिश कितनी अच्छी है, मेरी तो बहुत खराब है, आई एम वेरी बैड, यू नो. द फोकस ऑफ अ कॉनकेव मिरर, देखो जैसे बोलूंगा अपने आप समझ में आएगा. The focus of a concave mirror is a point on the principal axis on which parallel incident rays to the mirror converge upon after being reflected by the concave mirror. अब तुम लिखना शुरू कर दिया, सर फिर से सुनो. फोकस क्या होता है? फोकस प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस पे वो बिंदु है, पॉइंट है, जहां पैरेलल इंसिडेंट रेज रिफ्लेक्ट होने के बाद एक जगह पे जमा होते हैं. इंग्लिश में बोले, द फोकस ऑफ ए कॉनकेव मिरर इज अ पॉइंट ऑन द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस एट व्हिच पैरेलल इंसिडेंट रेज आफ्टर गेटिंग रिफ्लेक्टेड बाय अ कॉनकेव सरफेस कन्वर्ज अपॉन. अच्छा, समझ में आया? हैव यू अंडरस्टूड? तो इसको हम कहते हैं फोकस. क्योंकि ये मिरर कैसा है? इस मिरर को कुछ भी सीधा दो ना, ये सबको बोलता है आप लोग मिल जाओ एक साथ. कुछ भी सीधा दे दो, ये बोलता है आप लोग मिल जाओ ऐसे. तो इस मिरर का नाम है कन्वर्जिंग मिरर, है ना? Yes, all concave mirrors are converging mirror, no doubt about that. They might converge here or little bit ahead or little bit towards the pole. That depends upon the curvature of this particular mirror. Curvature मतलब ऐसा, मतलब किस तरह के ग्लोब से आपने काटा था, है ना? अच्छा, यहाँ पे एक और इंटरेस्टिंग चीज है बेटा. एक चीज मुझे बताओ, तो एक चीज मुझे बताओ जस्ट फ्रॉम कॉमन सेंस. मैंने एक आर्क ऐसा ड्रॉ किया, मैंने एक आर्क ऐसा ड्रॉ किया, किसका कर्वेचर बड़ा है? This one. Second one has been born from a bigger sphere. That means that sphere's radius is bigger than this sphere's radius. Have you understood? मान लो ये क्रिकेट बॉल को काट के आपने बनाया, ये बास्केटबॉल को काट के बनाया, तो बास्केटबॉल का कर्वेचर बड़ा है. कैसे समझ में आएगा? टेक वन, तो गंदा एग्जांपल देना पड़ेगा अभी फिर से. टेक वन स्लिम किड, बॉल्ड हेड, एंड टेक वन सुमो रेसलर, अ बिग फैट मैन, बॉल्ड हेड. दोनों को आंख बंद करके दोनों की मुंडी ऐसे पकड़ के देखो. बड़ा वाला आदमी का ओ इतना बड़ा, तो आपको कैसा लगेगा? उसका कर्वेचर बड़ा है. और छोटा वाला टुयुक टुयुक, तो उसका कर्वेचर छोटा है. समझ में आया? ठीक है, चलिए ये भी आपको समझ में आया, बहुत अच्छी बात है. अच्छा, अब देखते हैं. इतना तो ज्ञान ले लिया, ये सब बुक में बता देगा दैट दे कन्वर्ज अपॉन. इसका रियल लाइफ यूज क्या है? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू पीपल हैव एक्चुअली सीन अ डिश एंटेना लाइक डिश टीवी, जियो टीवी, वीडियोकॉन, है ना, टाटा स्काई, देखा होगा ना. अब जरा मैं उसको ड्रॉ करता हूं और जरा दिमाग दिखना. हाँ, या फिर रडार्स देखा होगा ना, वो जो रडार डिस्क होते हैं ना, घूमते रहता है. हाँ देखो, उसमें भी यही प्रिंसिपल यूज होता है. रुक जाओ, एक डिश टीवी को ड्रॉ करने की कोशिश करता हूं. साइंस तो यही है रे बेटा. ये है डिश टीवी, ये है उसका डिश. ठीक है, ये डिश कैसा रहेगा? दिस विल बी एक्चुअली माउंटेड ऑन सम ग्राउंड और बोल्ट कर देंगे. आपने देखा होगा डिश टीवी में एक छोटा सा आर्म रहता है, ऐसे एक आर्म रहेगा ऐसे, देखे ना. अब ये एंटेना नहीं है, ये आर्म है. और उस डिश टीवी में, है ना, एक छोटा सा चीज ऐसा रहता है, ऐसा टाइप एक, है ना, एक छोटा सा चीज ऐसा रहता है, ऐसा ऐसा रहता है. देखा है आपने? एवरी डिश टीवी. और यहीं पे आपका वायर लगा हुआ है. एक्चुअली जो आपके घर पे वायर आता है ना, वो यहां से लगा हुआ रहता है, ऐसा टर के घर पे आ. अब जरा सोचो, इस चीज को हम बोलते हैं LNB, लो नॉइज बेस. दिस इज द हार्ट ऑफ योर डिश टीवी सिस्टम. गॉट इट? So what is the dish TV doing actually? So there we got many private satellites, say Insat 1C, Asianet 1, 2, जहां से आप Star TV वगैरह देख रहे हैं. How far are they? They are very far away from us. Very interesting topic. ध्यान दो. They are very far away from us. So how are the rays coming from those satellites? Parallel rays. Do you agree or not? समझ में आ रहा है? तो these are the rays coming from that particular satellite which is there in somewhere in the atmosphere, and this is a concave surface. So what does the principle says? These rays should converge upon. क्या यार तुम लोग कुछ भी आंसर नहीं करते हो इतने. How can you be so dhakkans? You know, parallel incident rays are coming and striking a concave surface. It is right here. So what do you expect? They should converge. They should converge at a point. Yeah. So they will converge at a point. And let's say when your mechanic comes for installation, all he will do is that he will try this LNB to be at that point where the convergence happens. Now he can't see the rays, so he uses the LNB, he uses his meter, and he will slowly move it and see where the signal strength is maximum. Where should he get the maximum signal strength? When the LNB is right at the focus. यही होता है साइंस. रट्टू मार के इसका डेफिनेशन लिख के 5 नंबर मिल जाएगा, 3 इडियट की तरह. हंटर के डर से tiger also sits on the table. He is called it well trained tiger, not well educated. You want to be well trained or well educated? Well educated, then always question. Go and see a dish antenna. Every rooftop, ever you get a chance, they will have one dish antenna, and the technician will try to focus this right out here. Have you understood? And then only you will get the perfect picture clarity. Anyone who is using internet TV, for him iske liye lagu nahi. The people who are using the cable at home, then you will get the best quality picture. Understood? And if you want to take revenge on your neighbor, and if you want to be mischievous, ऊपर जाके just इसको थोड़ा हिला दो, तब उसको कैसा आ गया? Your Tata Sky is not receiving signals. Please call the toll-free number or your technician. आपने क्या किया? You have moved the LNB from the focus. और वो फोन करेगा, आप पिक्चर आज कुछ डिस्टर्ब बंदी पिक्चर आपने कर दिया. मजा आया? अच्छा. Have you seen like those VSAT radars? देखा होगा आपने. आप लोग ध्यान नहीं देते हो ना, आपको इंटरेस्ट नहीं है ना. If you see VSAT radars, all VSAT radars in any communication department will be something like this. there will be a big radar system. Okay, इसका भी वही काम है. This is the point where all the rays are coming and these rays are getting reflected right at the center focus. This is the application of it. एक और बढ़िया एप्लीकेशन देखें, आओ एक और बढ़िया एप्लीकेशन देखते हैं. ये सब ग्रेड 10 में लोग पढ़ते हैं, पर कोई नहीं, आप लोग इंटेलिजेंट बच्चे हो. एक एप्लीकेशन देखते हैं, ठीक है. सेम कॉन्केव मिरर का. मान लीजिए I have a concave mirror like this, and we are now back to 1912. We have gone to which year? 1912. और 1912 में हम रोल्स रॉयस गाड़ी को देख रहे हैं. Try to imagine. Have you seen the headlights of those Rolls Royce गाड़ी? They are like katora shaped. Huh? The katora is like a concave shape. So let's see what was the funda in those days to fix the headlight. To fix the headlight. ठीक है ना? अब उन दिनों में जो हेडलाइट हम फिक्स करते थे ना, the headlights used to be, the lamp of the headlight used to be right on the focus. Lamp of the headlamp used to be right. Now this is the reflector. Have you understood? This is the reflector, and this is your outer housing of the headlamp of a 1912 Rolls Royce गाड़ी. ठीक है, और ये हमारा बल्ब यहाँ पे है. ठीक है, आजकल तो हमारे पास LED बल्ब्स एंड ऑल है, तब उतने थे नहीं. तो देखो वहां पे क्या होता था. See the magic. This bulb will emit many rays on it. Do you agree or not? It will emit any rays. Bulb is at focus. यहाँ reverse होगा. If parallel things come and converge upon focus, then from focus if you emit anything and you hit the surface, it should become parallel. यही तो है headlight. ये इसका हाई बीम मैसेज आता था. अरे सीखो सीखो, तुम्हारे स्कूल में ये सब नहीं बताएगा. ये देखो, दिस इज द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ अ हेडलैम्प. हैव यू अंडरस्टूड? दिस एडजस्टमेंट इज गिवन इनसाइड द कार that you can align the headlamps as the way you want. Nowadays also in your car you'll have a small rotatory button right beside the right hand steering wheel towards your knee to just lift the beam or put the beam little bit down. यही पे समझ में आया? 3 एग्जांपल्स आपको दिखाएं. So a concave mirror is known as a converging mirror. What all did we learn so far in this particular? ठीक है, इस स्लाइड में देखते हैं क्या क्या चीज हमने सीखा. Concave mirror. A concave mirror is called a converging mirror. Why is it called a converging mirror? Any parallel beam which is incident upon it is reflected in such a manner that all the reflected rays converge upon at a point, and that point is known as the focus of the mirror. Understood? Such a mirror, because of its action of convergence, is known as a concave mirror. This particular action can be seen even in the designing of dish antennas, but the dish antenna is also concave in its shape, because it converges all the incident rays at a particular point on the focus where its LNB is put. It is also seen in VSAT satellites and also on torch reflectors. Have you seen the reflectors of torch? They are always concave and the bulb is protruded, not the LED ones, the Purana Desi torches, which all those security wallas use, the big one, metallic walla. So the bulb is protruded and kept at certain point. The bulb is protruded and kept at a point where it just comes and meets at the focus, so that rays which are coming out of the bulb after getting reflected from the concave now start traveling parallel. आपको तो फोकस बीम चाहिए ना टॉर्च से. टॉर्च से अगर ऐसे लाइट फैल गया तो क्या फायदा? We want it to be a flashlight. It should actually go. Have you understood this concept or not? Right. Now there is one more interesting thing at your level that you should know, that if I use a concave mirror, okay, if I use a concave mirror, so let me draw my concave mirror now once again. Ning, 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 ning. Okay, and this is my principal axis, right? 2 points I have told you. One point is the pole and one point is the focus. अब यहाँ भी थोड़ा सा इंटरेस्टिंग चीज है. ये भी आपके बुक में नहीं है. बुक में इसका जस्ट एक लाइन लिखा है, but you should understand the basic. Got it? And imagine that this is your spoon. This is your spoon. Spoon. घर का spoon है. ठीक है? There will be a focus and there will be a pole. Now this concave mirror has got one very interesting property. if you are positioning your object anywhere beyond the focus, okay, object beyond focus, anywhere beyond focus, then you will always get an inverted image. Image will always be inverted. ये याद रखना है. एक चम्मच लो और चम्मच के बिल्कुल पास खड़े मत हो जाओ, थोड़ा दूर चले जाओ, दूर चले जाओ, दूर चले जाओ. There will be a one point where your image will disappear. Your image will disappear. That is when you are standing at the focus. Have you understood? And once you go one step beyond the focus, you will see yourself ulta. You can do this today also. But children, for that you need a brand new spoon. Don't you use your everyday eating spoon, क्योंकि उसमें Scotch Brite लगाते लगाते उसका shine तो जा चुका है. You need a very, very good new one so that you can see over. Have you understood? Right. If your object is at focus, then the image is formed. अच्छा देखो ऐसा, अगर ऑब्जेक्ट फोकस में है, this is right now the object is at focus, and I told you in last classes that for formation of image, rays must meet. What type of rays are you getting? Parallel rays. Do you expect parallel rays to ever meet? No, they don't meet. But in science, we are not that much of pessimists. We are optimists. We say that the image is formed at infinity. And where is infinity? Far, 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 far away. Has anyone seen it? No. We assume they will meet, but they will meet somewhere far away. So that's why I said that this is my spoon. I was standing right at the focus. I don't see any image. Where is the image is getting formed? Infinity. And I step a little bit away from the focus. I start seeing myself inverted. So the object, is this thing clear or not? Infinity means for any image formation, I told you rays must meet. Do you remember? पढ़ते तो होने घर पे. If the rays actually meet, you get a real image. If the rays are protruded and meet to meet, then you form what? Virtual image. Now, when you place an object at the focus, we placed an object at the focus, right? This bulb. Then the rays are reflected, and the rays are of what nature? Parallel nature. Do parallel lines ever meet? No. But we say they will meet. कब? It's just like you guys. Sir, मैं पढ़ूंगा कब? Sir, पढ़ूंगा कब? पढ़ूंगा sir. Meet करूंगा कब? Infinity. I think you don't need a better example than that. है ना? सहज तुमने पढ़ाई किया? हाँ sir पढ़ूं. Then you will make a face. तो beagle puppy जैसा होता है ना? Did you study? When will you study? अभी टाइम है, अभी टाइम है. मीट कहाँ मीट करेगा? इन्फिनिटी. किसी ने देखा? नहीं देखा, नहीं देखा, नहीं देखा. समझ में आया? नाउ दिस जोन इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. ये वाला जो जोन है, ये जोन, अरे तुम लोग भी ना एकदम मतलब, this is the zone which is beyond focus. Have you understood? This is at focus, and this zone is between what? Focus and pole. यहाँ पे magic होता है. And now we are talking only about concave mirror. I told you these are very, very easy to understand and easy to forget topic. If your object is between focus and pole, you will get a magnified image. You will get a magnified image, and this image will be erect. ये बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग है. Magnified image and you will get a erect image. समझ में आया? That's का मतलब है, now I was standing at focus, my chammach is here. Now go one step in front of the chammach. Now you will see yourself much more magnified, but you'll see yourself erect. हैव यू अंडरस्टूड? इसका यूटिलिटी कहां पे होता है? साइंस का तो वही यूज है ना, इसका बहुत यूजेस है। नंबर वन, ऐसा मैं बता देता हूं, और इसको भी थोड़ा मजेदार चीज में पढ़ेंगे। गर्ल्स विल रिमेंबर इट वेरी इजी, एंड ग्रेड 10 ऑल्सो आई टीच इट लाइक दिस। आप फजू को पूछ सकते हैं, सर ऐसे ही पढ़ाते थे। डेंटिस्ट लिपस्टिक, हाँ, डेंटिस्ट एंड लिपस्टिक कैसे समझेंगे? है यहाँ पे एक, है कहाँ गया? यो, whenever you go to a dentist, the dentist puts one mirror inside. This is a dentist mirror. Have you seen? He can't open your jaws and go inside like Hanuman went inside Sursa and see your teeth, right? So what he puts the dentist mirror inside your mouth. And he is able to see he wants to see my cavity. So he is putting my tooth is very near to the hole and in between the focus. The focus is somewhere far off. So by default, my tooth will come between the focus and the hole. Have you understood? What is he seeing? He is seeing a magnified image of my tooth and erect. पहला example, dentist. समझ में आ गया? Dentist means the dentist mirror. अब आते हैं लिपस्टिक, जो आपका ब्यूटी कॉम्पैक्ट होता है ना, आप जिसको खोल के ऐसे, उसमें आपको सिर्फ आपके लिप्स दिखाई देंगे। तो इन योर कार ऑन द नेविगेटर सीट यू हैव अ वैनिटी मिरर। हैव यू सीन दैट? नेविगेटर साइड में जब आप बैठेंगे ना और सन प्रोटेक्शन वाले को उल्टा करेंगे, जब तुम तुम्हारे गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ जाओगे तो देखना, जब से ही तुम्हारा रेड लाइट आ जाएगा ना, एंड यू आर गोइंग फॉर दैट पार्टी नाइट एंड सहजवीर सिंह इज कॉन्सेंट्रेटिंग ऑन द रोड, देन योर गर्लफ्रेंड विल, रुक जाओ ना, एक्चुअली क्या हुआ? क्या? That is called a beauty compact mirror. The job is not to see the whole face of the lady, but just to see the lips. Have you understood? इसलिए इसको याद रखने के लिए डेंटिस्ट लिपस्टिक। एक और जगह ये मिरर दिखाई देता है। These are concave mirror with large focal length. Means the focal length focus will be quite far off. How do they make it? By adjusting the curvature. Such mirrors you won't see टेरा, बहुत सीधा लगेगा आपको देखने में, बहुत सीधा लगेगा। See, you feel that it is a plain mirror. This is not a plain mirror. Because the curvature is not, how can it be? I'm teaching you concave mirror. Asking that question itself is foolish. This is concave mirror. But the mirror will appear almost straight because the curvature is very big. This is cut off from a portion of a very big globe so that it almost appears straight line. Isn't the world round? Yes. But from our house to if we go to Varunika's house, हमें तो लगता है हम सीधे ही जा रहे हैं, but somebody watching from Venus says, देखो देखो कैसा टेढ़ा होके जा रहा है वो उसके घर पे, है ना? Because when the radius is very big, it appears straight to us. Have you gone to Lenskart and other shops? तो ऑप्टियोमेट्रिस्ट के पास भी एक मिरर होता है right on the showcase. मैं जरा वो ट्राई करूं और आप पहन के ऐसे ऐसे देखते हैं ना, एक छोटा सा मिरर रहता है, that is also concave mirror, not plain. Shoe shop नहीं, not the shoe shop one. Shoe shop में plain mirror रहता है. In a eyeglass shop there will be those standy, those foldable mirrors kept right on the desk. हाँ, होटल में, very good. होटल में जो वो फोल्डेबल वाला मिरर रहता है ना पीछे, हाँ, एक प्लेन मिरर, दूसरा वाला कॉन्केव मिरर है। समझ में आया? देखो कितने साइंस के यूजेस है। जहां आपको enlarged or erect image चाहिए, because you are not interested in seeing how your tie collar is when you wear that Ray-Ban or whatever. You are interested to see how it looks on your face. So have you always see some ads? Have you seen watch ads? Watch ads. Watch ads are always at 10:10. Have you seen that? नहीं देखा है तुम लोग, कुछ नहीं देखते हो। कुछ भी घड़ी का ad देखना, every घड़ी ad will be always at 10:10. Even clocks. Yeah. To show the brand, and that is called the most sweetest position. Have you understood? So if you see any of these, what you call, ये जो आपके eye वाले ads होते हैं ना, the models who wear eye, you will see the photograph never covers the dresses and all, only the face portion. आज जाके जरा lenskart.com खोल के देखना और जरा फोटोज देखना, समझ में आया इसके बारे में? तो बहुत कुछ चीज आपने सीखा। Concave mirror, a concave mirror converges, and a concave mirror can produce 3 type of images, though your book says 2, actually 3 images hai. What are the 3 images? Number one, if you are beyond focus, then your image is always an inverted image. If you are at the focus, your image is formed at infinity. लेकिन पूछना चाहिए उस infinity पे image कैसा होगा sir? Will it be erect or image inverted? Inverted only. It will be formed at infinity and this will also be inverted. But this is very very theoretical. ये किसी ने देखा नहीं है. And if you are placing your object anywhere between the, and this is what is presented in your curiosity book as some activity. Take a spoon and bring your finger or any object near it and take away. But you will be an idiot if you pick an object like a ping pong ball. Sir, ulta hi nahi hua. Arey, round object ulta or seedha, how does it make a difference? Have you understood? Okay. Ruhan's elder brother had a very nice telescope. I don't know whether it's now operational. That's a telescope. These mirrors we also use in telescope. अब यहाँ पे भी बड़ा बढ़िया चीज है. कैसे use करते हैं देखो. Good telescopes, okay? So let's see that. So a telescope is used to see what? Far off objects. So far off objects means मान लो जुपिटर को देखना चाहते हैं. तो जुपिटर से रेस कैसे आएंगी? Jupiter is a nearby object or a distant object? So what will be the rays from Jupiter? Parallel rays. Huh? I mean, don't you all pay any attention? Sometimes that's when I feel bad. Either you just talk something out of your head. इतना करके लिखे समझा. Anyways, no smiling therapy. Why should I get angry? Okay. So Jupiter से rays कैसे आ रही हैं बेटा? Parallel rays आती है. So when you have a telescope, even when you go to and see Dada's telescope, the first thing is not a lens. The first one is a mirror. That mirror will pick parallel rays from the Jupiter and will form its image where on the focus, right? This image is actually an inverted image. This is an inverted image. But now you ask yourself, if I give you a gulab jamun, do you ever complain? मेरे को उल्टा क्यों दिया? गुलाब जामुन में उल्टा और सीधा क्या है? वो तो गोल ही है ना. तो जुपिटर में भी inverted और erect से क्या लेना देना? So that is your first image. Then we use one more convex lens through which we see. उसके body में देखना telescope में that is a lens. That lens is like a magnifying glass. So first we will form a small image and then we will magnify that image. Concept समझ में आ रहा है? These are called mirror telescopes which are used a lot. They are cheap to maintain and give a high reliability. So concave mirrors का use कहाँ-कहाँ आप देख सकते हैं? अभी आप बोलो. Concave mirrors can be used as dentist mirror number 1. और फिर लिपस्टिक मत लिखना. Vanity mirrors क्या लिखते हैं? Vanity mirrors, specs, yeah, shaving mirrors. That's exactly the same example that you use in shaving mirrors as well as specs के दुकान में. Shaving mirror, have you seen? If you see a shaving kit of a gentleman, it will have one small mirror which is like double the size of your ruler. You need not see your whole face. You just need to see the portion which you are shaving. पहले जमाने में लोग खूब use करते थे because when you are traveling in train and all, you can't open that big mirror, but it's a pocket handy mirror. You just open it. Beauty compact mirrors, dentist mirrors. And what are the special features that we saw about this mirror? This mirror is called a converging mirror because whenever parallel rays are incident on this type of a mirror, it converges them on a point which is known as the focus. And the middle of the mirror is known as the pole. The same analogy is used by a dish antenna to converge all the rays on the focus because it's also concave in shape. By VSATs, this is called a VSAT antenna. The VSATs also use the same thing. The torch bulb, the reflector of a torch also uses the same principle. Just the only thing is rays get out from the focus. Opposite of this, rays get out of the focus and become parallel. Understood? And then what did we learn about image formation? In image formation, we learned that if you place any object right at the focus, then the image is formed at infinity. If you are beyond the focus, it will always be inverted. And if you are between the pole and the focus, the image will always be magnified. If you are anywhere more interested, this will always be a virtual image. This is virtual image, whereas this one will be real. These are grade 10 concepts, and this one will also be real. और जब grade 10 में आप पढ़ोगे, whoever teaches you, me or anyone, if that person starts from all these things and you show that blank wala thobra, then you are super IDIOT, and you get a full marks on this chapter. Then you just learn to puke. उल्टी करने के लिए आपने खाना खाया. I want you to eat to develop nourishment. This should go inside your veins. एक साल बाद भी, और कल जब स्कूल में दोस्तों के साथ मिलो ना, then discuss all these things. डिश एंटेना कैसे काम करता है पता है? रिफ्लेक्टर कैसे काम करता है पता है? VSAT कैसे काम करता है पता है? So all of you should have one murgi. You know what is murgi? Your best friend. Whenever you learn any new thing, go and share with your murgi. In that way, the murgi learns a new thing and you reinforce your learning. Today you are a student with me. Tomorrow with your murgi, you will be the teacher. That is the best way to learn. Learn a new technique. And someday you may also be the murgi. And your best friend may say, सुनो मैं तुम्हें algebra सिखाता हूँ. लेकिन आप लोग जाके क्या कर गए? Hey, you know what happened? Batman, what he did and this thing. Batman खाना खिलाएगा तो तुमको. हाँ? और नहीं तो दकियानुसी वाला क्या? MUN. Who is the Vice President of India? I don't know, sir. I know MUN. I know MUN. Now, very good. ठीक है? इसके बाद वाला हमारा टॉपिक जिसे हम आज तो नहीं पढ़ पाएंगे, एंड दैट टॉपिक विल बी, अच्छा देखिए तो ये अभी भी हुआ नहीं है. इसके बाद हम पढ़ेंगे कॉन्वेक्स मिरर को डिटेल में. आज का कहानी यहां पे रखेंगे. वी हैव लर्नड अप टिल कॉन्केव मिरर. नेक्स्ट वी विल लर्न कॉन्वेक्स. You have learned much more than what is there in your curiosity book. If you want to really learn science, go back home, replay this video. A 1 hour video will take 2 hours to learn. I'm not saying that increase my viewing. I don't need that. But अगर आप इसको पढ़ोगे तो you will write, हाँ, but there was something in book sir did not teach. I should ask it in the next class. लेकिन आप तो प्लेन मिरर ही नहीं पढ़े हो, है ना? You तो didn't read. What you read? When I started the class, you did not tell me about the properties of image formation by a plane mirror. Did you? No. ठीक है, तो आज का रंगारंग कार्यक्रम यहाँ समाप्त करते हैं. So Sunday is your death day. Please come prepared. Whoever has submitted your test copy, very good. Veronica, Sunday I will send you the paper. आप आराम से बैठ के whatever you know you can do as a practice. You need not submit anything. And what is our syllabus for Sunday? Particulate nature of matter, आंधी तूफान and all this, storm, or quadrilaterals. This time I will not give you objective questions. नहीं तो तुम लोग उसमें नंबर ले लेते हो. नहीं, ठीक है, चलो.